Can filling your car with E20 petrol secretly destroy your engine? Millions of drivers are asking these questions. Some people say E20 causes engine failure, poor mileage, and the expensive repairs. But is that really true? Let's begin with the basics. E20 simply means petrol containing 20% ethanol and 80% gasoline. Ethanol isn't new. Brazil has used high ethanol fuel for decades, and many countries blend ethanol into petrol. Governments promote ethanol to reduce oil imports and lower carbon emissions. Chemically, ethanol contains oxygen inside its molecules, helping fuel burn more completely. Myth number 1. E20 instantly damages every engine. Reality? Modern vehicles designed or approved for E20 usually operate safely. Older vehicles may have rubber seals and fuel lines that were not designed for higher ethanol. Ethanol absorbs moisture from air. Over long periods, excess water may increase corrosion in unsuitable fuel systems. Myth: E20 will completely ruin your mileage. The reality is, ethanol contains slightly less energy than petrol. Mileage may decrease slightly, but usually only by a few percent. Interestingly, ethanol has a higher octane rating, helping resist engine knocking. This allows smoother combustion under the right engine conditions. Myth: E20 causes engine to explode. There is no scientific evidence that properly designed E20 compatible engines suddenly explode because of E20 petrol. The real question is simple: is your vehicle approved for E20? Manufacturers upgrade fuel injectors, hoses, seals, and engine software for E20 compatibility. Ethanol is renewable and can reduce overall greenhouse gas emissions compared with pure petrol. However, producing ethanol also requires farmland, water, and energy. So it's not a perfect solution. Is E20 dangerous? If your manufacturer recommends E20, you are generally safe. And if not, always follow your owner's manual. So the biggest myth is not E20 itself. It's believing every rumor on the internet. Follow science, not fear.